Downloading data from Coinbase can help you keep track of your transactions and manage your cryptocurrency investments. Follow these steps to easily download your data. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Visit the Coinbase website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Ensure you are using a secure network to protect your information. Step 2. Navigate to the Reports section. Once logged in, locate the Reports or Statements section in the menu. This is typically found under your account settings or in the main dashboard. Step 3. Select the data type. In the Reports section, choose the type of data you want to download. Options may include transaction history, tax reports, or account statements. Select the relevant option based on your needs. Step 4. Set the date range. Specify the date range for the data you want to download. This allows you to narrow down your report to a specific time frame, making it easier to analyze your transactions. Step 5. Download the data. After setting the date range, click on the Download button. The data will typically be provided in a CSV or PDF format, which you can then save to your device for future reference. By following these steps, you can efficiently download your data from Coinbase and keep track of your cryptocurrency activities.